This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for CVNA, Carvana. And this is going to be a follow-up to a video I did in February. Why February? Well, at the time, go back to the previous video. The link for the previous video is going to be in the description of this video. But what was taking place at the time is, looked like we were breaking down to fresh monthly closing lows at the time. That's February of 2019. That was the risk. And at the time, if you take a look at the RSI and MACDs, it looked like we were moving to fresh RSI lows, or at least the potential was there, and also looked like the MACDs were moving to fresh lows. So because of that, there was a risk that the stock would deteriorate and prices go down substantially. But now, on hindsight, now we're talking about 8 months later, we can see what has happened here, and it's a good study. RSI held above 50. We know what happens when the big time frames hold above 50. That tends to be good. And of course, because of the RSI holding above 50, we had this eventual switch and prices have drifted to the upside. Now, we can also see that the MACD had a favorable bounce, and this bounce on the MACD held nicely with uniform action above the MACD 0 line. So, what looked like a break actually turned out to be a fake out, and we can see that as a consequence of finding support on RSI 50 or above it and finding support above the 0 MACD line. Now we can see that prices have responded with a nice move to the upside. Now, links are going to be in the description of the video if you want to expound on the topics discussed in this video. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S and O. Check out the previous video in the description of this video. I am out. Mwah. Woo, woo, woo.